Hey everybody, this is Susie Rockin' and Slottin'. I'm up in Michigan, so I brought my stuff with me. I bought these two at Local Legend / the Sports Spot, and at least this one. Then I think I bought these two at maybe TNT or Fanfare. I can't remember. I think TNT. Black Bolt White Flare. Let's open up the White Flare first. Next video, I'm going to open some Journey Together. I'm trying to master set that thing, but let's see what we got here. So we got Yamask, Boldore, Pig Knight, Dewott, Galvantula, Energy Retrieval. We have a bunch of those. Sigilyph, Blitzel Reverse. I don't think I might have that one. Scraggy Reverse. We have the Bouffalant EX and Energy. So we might have a couple that I don't have in that. We'll see. I did not bring my Black Bolt White Flare binder. I left that one at home because I brought Mega and Phantasma and something else. I didn't bring all the binders. Let's check what the second White Flare has for us. Oh, we got the Special Energy. Purdy. Ferroseed. Tepig again. Yamask again. Joltik. Archin. Ferrothorn. Garbodor. Rubbish. That's a reverse. No, that's a Pokeball. It's hard to see, but it's different because you can feel it's more plastic, but you can just barely see the Pokeballs. There's not good light here, so Pignite and Emboar. Alright, so one EX, which I might have, and one Pokeball. And maybe a couple reverses. Those might be new. Let's see what this one is. Come on, I need the Victinis or Reshiram's and the whatever else is the solid color cards here. This is Black Bolt. We'll put Energy up front. It's another shiny Energy. Look at that. Fire Energy. Cubchoo. Tranquil. Timber. Munna. Air Balloon. Electros. Masharna, which goes with Munna. Timber, look at that. Another Pokeball. It's a little bit hard to see, but there you go. Oh, there you go. Dynamo. SIR or Art Rare. Well, it's got one gold star. Alright, cool. That's a hit. I don't think I have that Dynamo. So, not bad for Black Bolt White Flare. So there you go. And we will catch you on the next one. Oh, you know what? I don't have a picture of anybody rock and roll, but I will show you this. There's my sweet cat Frosty. She's sleeping. She's out like a light. She's in her nice warm blankies, and she's wearing her Christmas Frosty the Snow Kitty sweater. So that's it. See you later.